Hello, and welcome to the channel, and welcome back to the Earl Nightingale series entitled Diamonds in the Ruff. Earl Nightingale was a popular radio broadcaster and motivational speaker who captivated his audience with his inspirational insights and wisdom. One of his most notable contributions was his audio program called The Strangest Secret, which over the years and over the decades has sold millions and millions of copies worldwide. Here are some key ideals and messages that Earl Nightingale shared with his listeners, and today we share them with you. In this lesson number 9, entitled The Importance of Visualization. In this lesson, Earl Nightingale he taught the technique of visualization as a means to manifest desired outcomes. Nightingale encouraged his listeners to vividly imagine their goals and consistently visualize themselves achieving those goals. The importance of visualization was a fundamental concept in Earl Nightingale's teachings, reflecting his belief in the transformative power of the mind to shape reality. Here's a comprehensive exploration and insights of this subject in accordance to the teachings of Earl Nightingale and his perspective. Number 1, harnessing the creative power of the mind. Nightingale viewed visualization as a tool for harnessing the creative power of the mind to manifest desired outcomes. He believed that the mind possessed extraordinary creative potential, capable of translating thoughts and images into tangible reality. Through the practice of visualization, people tap into this innate creative capacity, programming their subconscious mind with clear and compelling mental images of their goals and aspirations. Number 2, enhancing clarity and focus. Visualization enhances clarity and focus by providing a clear mental blueprint of desired outcomes. Nightingale emphasized the importance of vividly imagining specific details of one's goals, including sights, sounds, sensations, and emotions associated with the achievement. By painting a detailed mental picture of success, people cultivate a sense of clarity and purpose that guides their actions and decisions with precision. Number 3, building confidence and self-efficacy. Through visualization, individuals cultivate a sense of confidence and self-efficacy that fuels motivation and perseverance. Nightingale encouraged individuals to visualize themselves overcoming any obstacle, navigating through challenges, and achieving their goals with ease and grace. By repeatedly reinforcing positive mental images of success, people build a reservoir of self-belief and resilience that empowers them to overcome adversity and stay committed to their dreams, to their goals, and to their aspirations. Number 4, aligning thoughts, emotions, and actions. Visualization facilitates alignment between thoughts, emotions, and actions, creating a powerful synergy that propels individuals towards their goals. Nightingale taught that visualization activates the subconscious mind, aligning beliefs and attitudes with desired outcomes and influencing behavior accordingly. By cultivating a positive emotional state and embodying the mindset of success, people naturally gravitate towards action that support their realization of their visions. Number 5, accelerating goal achievement. Visualization accelerates goal achievement by priming the mind for success and amplifying the effectiveness of strategic action. Nightingale believed that visualization acts as a rehearsal for future success, allowing people to mentally anticipate and prepare for challenges and opportunities along the way. By visualizing themselves achieving their goals, individuals program their subconscious mind for success, enhancing confidence, their focus, and resilience in the pursuit of their dreams, in pursuit of their goals, and in pursuit of their aspirations. Number 6, integration of visualization into daily practice. Nightingale emphasized the integration of visualization into daily practice as a cornerstone of success. He encouraged individuals to dedicate specific time each day to engage in visualization exercises, ideally during quiet moments of reflection and relaxation. By making visualization a habitual practice, individuals strengthen neural pathways associated with their desired outcomes, deepening the impact of their mental imagery on subconscious programming. Number 7, utilizing multiple sensory modalities. Nightingale advocated for the utilization of multiple sensory modalities in visualization exercises to enhance their effectiveness. Beyond visual imagery, he encouraged people to engage all 5 of their senses: sight, sound, touch, smell, and taste, to create rich, multidimensional mental representations of their goals. By incorporating sensory details in visualization, people evoke a more immersive and emotional approach in their experiences that amplifies the potency of their mental imagery. Number 8, scripting and affirming desired outcomes. Nightingale promoted the use of scripting and affirmations as complementary practice to visualization. He encouraged people to write down detailed descriptions of their desired outcomes in the present tense, as if they had already been achieved. By crafting affirmative statements that affirm their beliefs in the attainment of their goals, people reinforce positive self-talk and embed empowering messages into their subconscious mind. Number 9, maintaining emotional authenticity. Nightingale emphasized the importance of maintaining emotional authenticity in visualization exercises. He encouraged people to evoke genuine feelings of joy, gratitude, and excitement as they visualize their goals, allowing emotions to amplify the intensity and impact of their mental imagery. By connecting deeply with the emotional essence of their desires, people infuse their visualization practice with authenticity and vibrancy that fuels motivation and commitment. Number 10, adapting visualization techniques to specific goals. Nightingale recognized that different goals may require tailored visualization techniques to maximize effectiveness. Whether pursuing career advancement, health and wellness goals, or personal relationships, he encouraged people to adapt visualization strategies to align with the unique nature of their aspirations. By customizing visualization exercises to address specific challenges and opportunities, people optimize their capacity to manifest desired outcomes in diverse areas of their lives. Number 11, measuring progress and adjusting visualization practices. Nightingale advocated for ongoing evaluation and adjustment of visualization practices based on progress and feedback. He encouraged people to assess the alignment between their current reality and desired outcomes, identifying areas where visualization techniques may need refinement or supplementation. By adopting a spirit of experimentation and adaptation, people optimize the efficacy of their visualization practices and accelerate their journey towards success. In essence, Earl Nightingale's teachings on visualization underscore its dynamic and multifaceted nature as a transformative tool for personal and professional growth. By integrating visualization into daily practice, and by leveraging multiple sensory modalities, by writing things down, scripting, and affirming desired outcomes, maintaining emotional authenticity, and adapting techniques to specific goals and measuring progress, individuals harness the full potential of visualization to manifest their highest aspirations and create extraordinary lives. As Nightingale famously proclaimed, we become what we think about. We become what we think about. In his lifetime, Earl Nightingale authored several influential books. These books, over the ages, over the decades, have empowered millions upon millions of individuals worldwide, providing them with the tools to enhance their relationships, to boost their confidence, and to achieve massive personal growth and financial success. If you're a fan of his lectures and seminars, or would like to do a deeper dive into the teachings and wisdoms of Earl Nightingale, I left a link in the description below. If you're enjoying this series and want to gain more from his valuable wisdom and insights, click on the next video in our Earl Nightingale series playlist entitled Diamonds in the Ruff. If we brought you value today, subscribe to our channel to join our tribe of like-minded people. By harnessing the creative power of the mind, by cultivating clarity and focus, by building confidence and self-efficacy, and aligning our thoughts, our emotions, and our actions, we can unlock our fullest potential and manifest extraordinary outcome in our lives. See yourself as being great. See yourself as being great. And remember the power of I am. Write down your goals. Create a vision board for yourself. Put it somewhere where you can see it every day as a reminder of what you're striving for. And remember to take aggressive, immediate action every single day to achieve those goals, to turn your goals, to turn your dreams into reality. Climb the stairs of success one step at a time. Live in the present, but prepare for your future. Until next time, remember the famous quote from Earl Nightingale when he said, "Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality," meaning we will it into existence. Stay safe, stay motivated, and thanks for watching The Growth Mindset. Take care.